Hello everyone. If you're planning to take the DUST scholarship exam or nakapag-apply ka na, tapos feel mo wala ka ng oras mag-review, feel mo nauubusan ka ng oras, you're feeling unmotivated to review, parang binabasa mo lang yung mga nire-review mo, don't trust it. Your mind is just playing tricks with you dahil natatakot ka. So, dapat sa ngayon, namamanage mo na ng kaunti kung paano mo i-handle or i-manage yung stress and anxiety mo when taking the DOST exam. So, yung gagawin mo is, kung ano yung reviewers na nakuha mo online, gamitin mo yon. Kahit 10 minutes or 30 minutes na pagre-review, it's good already as long as pinapractice mo ito, tapos ina-understand mo talaga kung saan ka nagkakamali. Yan yung tip ko para mas maiintindihan nyo kung paano ba mag-take ng exam, paano ba mag-take ng isang scholarship admission exam para matrain yung mind or yung test taking skills nyo, kung paano nga ba, ano nga ba yung technique on getting the correct answer, the best and the correct answer. Tapos ito pa ha, huwag magmadali dahil minsan pag magmamadali tayo sa pagre-review, yung kalabasan is parang hindi natitake ng utak natin or na-absorb ng utak natin kung ano yung pinag-aaralan natin. Kaya take your time talaga and then focus on one subject at a time. Huwag niyong overlap yung mga subjects na pagsastudihan nyo. Tapos, if you have 1 week before the exam, take your time. May time ka pa. Okay? May time ka pa ha. Huwag mong paniwalaan yung nasa isip mo na wala na akong oras, ganyan. Just take your time. Just use your time. Kahit 30 minutes in a day, 30 minutes to 1 hour, that's all good. So, prepare now. You can do it. I swear to God. You can really do it. Just pray and then study well. Alright? And then, take practice exams. Mock tests. Ang dami niyan. Ang dami niyong makita niyan. Practice it. Okay? So, bye-bye.